Watch the company you keep. Watch the company you keep. That's why this track by me and company, listen. Jump up, they get beat down.
Beat down. Wow, wow. Hello. Hello. Yeah, I know we're not on the desktop yet, but I don't fucking care. I don't fucking care right now. I'm actually gonna turn that down. Holy crap, it's loud. Yeah. So I'm thinking just maybe do a little bit of a project poo. Let's see. So I'm debating on whether to work on the Unity project or work on this new project I discovered about. I'm thinking maybe this project I just discovered to do. Actually, do I have the one program installed? I probably don't. Also, whoever's there in chat, hello, you cute, adorable bean. Let's see here. Have it. I don't think so, but I will install it real quick. Installing it real quick. So, what the fuck is happening with that? Okay. There we go. Okay, desktop is what I want. There we go. We transition over to here. Okay, so I got that now. So if I go to my desktop and I launch this. So, the project, as you can see right here, this is kind of a thing because I bought 4 badges. And here's the thing. Like here's the thing with this is it's shit. It's utter garbage. The UI is garbage. Just the whole general gist of it is garbage. Like, in order to clear that out, you have to go in, you have to click auto, and then in auto you have to do like clear image, and it will reset that. So now if I say hello world, it will work. But say I do like a dot right there and then remove it, and then if I delete this, it just stops working entirely. And then I have to go back in here, hit clear image, hit OK, and then it will start working some of the fucking time. See, now it's just now it just doesn't work. Now it just doesn't fucking work for some reason. Auto. Clear image. Okay. Hello. It just stopped working. What? Okay, if I hit upload text, it starts working. What the fuck? You know, like, what the fuck? This program is utter, and I do mean utter, garbage. However, I did find another project. Do clone and PyCharm. Wow, Twitch didn't notify you? Wow. You didn't get the notification on Discord? Wow, Naga. Can you... So I found this project. I'll just copy this part right here. We'll browse. I'm not gonna put it on that. Oh, okay. Yeah. Not there. Let's see. Source. Python. I'll hit OK for that. Paste that into there. I'll clone it. Yes. Oh my fucking god. Please fucking stop. I want to murder Windows with this shit. Bust. Alright. So this project. Right here. In both configurations, batch identifies itself on the USB has ID vendor 0416, ID product 5020, MFR1, product 2, serial number 0, blah blah blah, custom HID, warning there are many different versions of LED badges on the market. This one uses a USB HID interface while others use USB serial, see reference below. So, let me scroll down a bit to the Windows. So if I follow this, it still fucking breaks. It doesn't fucking work even if I follow this right here. But it seems to work nonetheless. So, the fuck? So, here's the fucking fun part. I have to try and figure out what the fuck this Python code says. Wait, what? What? A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V. Wait. So this is A? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 24, 25, 26. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Oh my fucking god. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 11. So that's 11 wide. If I go back to README, that's 11 right there. Eleven. One, two, three, 4. 11. Oh boy. I don't. What? Font 11 by 44. So if that's 11. What? 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 Photo header. Hi, Argbus. What the fuck? Like, no joke. What the fuck? The fuck? I want to know what the hell these are. Are these? Wait. Wait, hold up. Wait, I have an idea. I'm gonna... Okay. Okay. So, Argbus, since it seemed like you have joined in a little later, I'm recreating... Where is it? This software to have a better UI and better functionality. Alright, so at the moment, it's probably just going to be the message preview first and foremost before I introduce anything else. So yeah, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Wow, they don't use it. My 6 side. Yes. More specifically, something like this, which it looks like it's something I got at the con. Fact. Let me try to... And that'll work. So let me also real quick transition back to this because I don't want to have you guys see this shit. You have to go attend your thing. All right. What framework am I gonna? What GUI framework? I'm gonna use Avalonia. I'm gonna use Avalonia. Has the means to do the thing. Yeah. So that way it works on both Windows, Linux, and Mac OS. Need to find the one thing. Alright. So it can also be done. It can also be ported to WebAssembly. Ooh. Yeah, I'm not gonna do WebAssembly, but this is the display I'm talking about right here. I just realized the "Worship Satan, not politicians" sticker I got is right in front of it. I was mainly just focused on this guy. Oh man, so fucking bright. Oh my god, that's so fucking bright on HDR. Holy shit. And then you can also see I got 3 more in the background. So yeah. I want to recreate this using Avalonia. Let's see. Create new solution. Roslyn. Interesting. Anyways, we'll use the Avalonia MVVM. And we'll call this LED badge creator. There we go. Language C#, create Git repository. So the reason why I'm using MVVM is because that way it's gonna be easy to do the thing. So that's interesting. C++ is being brought into Rider. Well, anyways, okay. Okay, so we have the view right here. Need to build it first, of course. Preview isn't supported for this project. What the fuck do you mean it's not supported? Preview isn't supported for this project. I don't like this. Ha! Ah, go away. Ow! Why do they always default it to light? Like, ah, that's so much better. Like, okay, flash bang by monitor meme. Let's do GIF. Is this it? Ah! But yeah, it's like this one. Ow! Stop! It's like this. Yes, yes, I know I was screaming in agony. But yeah, basically whenever it goes light theme, it basically does this to my face. Ah! Why are you still there? Fuck off! I got fucking flashbanged by the goddamn thing again. Fuck me. Anyways. I'm gonna reload the project real quick. So, first thing I want to get working is going to be probably working on Windows first and foremost, and then I'll figure out the Linux aspects later. I wonder why it says preview's not available for this project. Ba, 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 ba. It's installed, but I'm not using Visual Studio. Visual Studio can suck the insides of my rectum. There we go. Fucking that's why it's not installed. Come on, Ryder. Come on. No, it has it, but it's not installed. Verdang von never. The fuck does that mean? Frederick von never. Is that German? Why does it like that fucking flashbang me. Oh my god. Ah! That is their name. Ah! Ah! Close. Why can you guys not put in a fucking dark mode? Why? Why? Just why? My eyes. I got an HDR monitor and you guys just want to abuse me. Why? Ow. Alright, now it should in theory work. Yep, there it is. Welcome to Avalonia. And it's not like CSS can't detect the current theme. Yeah. So anyways, we got this little guy working. I forgot how smooth my cursor looks at 240 hertz. Anyways, before we get that all going, working smoothly and whatnot, I'm going to create a .NET Core application and call this testing. Now, the reason why I'm putting it in here, I'm calling it testing and doing this. Oh, gross. Gross. Ugh. I hate that they made C# more like a scripting language instead of like a programming one. Yep. Let's see. Public static class program. Private static void main. Alright. So, as you guys saw here, like, what the hell is all of this? Private static int array. What the fuck equals new int array? Oh, thank you. Thank you. Yes, that's what I fucking wanted. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4. It was like, what, 11, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Yeah. So I'll say for var I equals 0, I is less than, what the fuck, dot length I plus equals 11. All right, there we go. Actually, no, I'll just say plus plus I. Well, by chai, by potential chai equals A. And down here, I'll say for bar j equals 0. J is less than 8. Alright. J is less than int dot size of int times 8 plus plus j. So now here I'm gonna say up here I'll do var mask equals 0b0000 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4. There we go. Now up there I have a mask. So I think that's 4 bytes. 1 2 3 4. Yep, that's 4 bytes. Bit mask. Ooh, ooh. Yes. Now what I do is I'll say var tmp mask equals mask bitwise shift over by j. And then I will say by max. No. Yeah, I'll say var result equals, and then I want WTF at I bitwise and it with TMP mask. Why do you not like that? Whoops, I forgot that one more shift. There we go. Alright, anyways. So now we say console.write. And we just say result greater than 0. If it's greater than 0, then we put a 1. Otherwise, we put a 0. Oops, 0. There we go. Console.write uwu. I hate that it did that, but I don't really fucking care at the moment. Because I can go... There we go. So now... I'll do a console.writeLine. And however, if I modulo 11 equals 0 and I is greater than 0, console.writeLine again. Actually, I probably should do that at the top. Those bit values make me want to write a virtual tiling GPU emulator. Let's see here. Let's see what this prints out. I just switch over to testing. I run debug to see if anything breaks. Motherfucking pain. Oh my fucking god. Thank you. Oh my fucking god, look at that. It literally is just the ABCs. Look, A, B, C, D, E, F, G. They look... Why do they look backwards though? Why do they look backwards? Are they supposed to be backwards? Let me change the way of the shift. That will probably have some effect. Bit Indianness, uwu. Now it looks correct. Like, now it looks correct. Like, let me zoom in for you guys real quick. Because it's probably hard for you to see. But, like, look. Now it looks correct. Wait a minute. 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 Wait, hold up. Hold the fucking phone. Hold the fucking phone. Where's my laptop? There's my gaming laptop. There you are, bad boy. I don't have a space to put it. Shit. Shit on my ding dong and in my asshole. Okay. Ugh. Okay, hold on. I gotta do this on my Happy Lou at the... Oh shit, I need to plug it into Ethernet. Ah! Okay, hold on. Fucking everything needs to stop. Okay, paste that there. Cool. Down. Cool, cool, cool. Okay, cool, cool, cool. Cool, 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 cool. Cool, 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 cool. Cool, 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 cool. Okay. So I was analyzing this right here, and I'm like, what the fuck is all this? But I think I got it. Or at least I think I understand what's going on now. I think. As you can see, there's some common data between the two. But this is not the same. Between these, and I'm like, wait a minute. See. We have a 0C. We have a 0C. Whoa. We have multiple 0Cs. Okay. 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 This makes sense now. This makes sense. So each LED is quite literally just a Boolean value. It's literally just a Boolean value. It's literally just a bit mask being projected onto it. Okay, that's interesting. That's incredibly interesting. So, what I could do is I could just take this code, and instead of saying it's an int array, I can say it's an int array. Which, how do I initialize an int array? How do I initialize an int array? How do I put values in this? Ah. Hey, I never used this before, so I have to do it like this. Whoops. Oh, shit. Okay, so I have to do it like this. So text represents byte. So what if I just say it's a byte? I can just tell that part to fuck off. Okay, and okay, I have no. So I need to take this out of here. Take this. For k equals 0. K is less than size of byte. Get var. Plus k. And this is going to be WTF at I WTF dot get length 1. I think that's how that goes. Here, put this, and then in here I put this, and then this is I and J. Okay, so now if I run this, shit. How to get the length of a 2D array, like the one above. Okay. That like fucking died on me. Why did that die on me? What the fuck? And 11, which is correct. There are 11 values in there. Oh, my bad. I need to do a bit where I shift over by K. Alright. Bug run that. Still don't like that. Why is I 1? Why is I 1? That's why. Length of 0. There we go. Rerun that, and now it should print out perfectly. Answer is no, it does not. What the fuck? Oh, because I'm a fucking idiot. That's why. Because I need to times it by 8. There we go. That looks correct. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 by 11. That looks correct. Okay. Okay, so now I have an idea. Oops. Does this give me anything? Okay. I wonder if what this will return me. Is that a 2? I mean, clearly that's bigger than 11. So let me, what if I, okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. What if I chop that off? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Okay, we run that. That's a 2. Holy shit. Holy shit. Holy shit. It's literally just sending it binary data. It's literally just... Phone, shut up. So... So that 1B is probably some header thing. Okay. So 1B is probably just a header. Okay, so input invalid. Thank you. X. 6192. Divide that by 1024. 6. 6. Okay. 6 what? 6 kilobytes? Is this whole thing 6 kilobytes? Seems like a magic number. I don't think it is. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 11, 12, 13, 14. No way that's 6 kilobytes. There's no way that's 6 kilobytes. Because if I look at the fucking file, it only says 1.36 kilobytes. There's no way it's 6192. Okay, times that by 1024 to get us back to okay. We got 1B00. If it's a pointer. Again, I don't think so. Because it's 6912. About what is the data about? It's just a bit mask. That's all it is. It's a bit mask, either on or off. In fact, what I could probably do, I could probably and how do I create a bitmap in system.drawing? Thank you. System.drawing. I can then use a bit mask. By bit mask equals new bitmap. Bitmap. Sorry. Equals new bitmap. The WTF.getLength of 0 and a WTF.getLength of 1. This I can just say okay, I'll need system.drawing.common probably. Here we go, system.drawing.common. Add that to testing. Here we go. Okay. Freaking out about. I don't care. Anyways. So with this, I can say bitmap dot set pixel at I and J. It just whatever that is. So y is pixel equals, and then I can just say this. Yeah, I can just say is pixel. Same here is pixel. If it's true, then we use what we'll use white. Otherwise, black. Before we jump out, we'll say using var fstream equals new file stream map I dot bmp create right bitmap dot save. Yeah, we can save it. Cool. Bitmap dot save fstream coordinate map is BMP. There we go. So now if we run this, Oh yeah, no. Now if we do open and explore, then debug.net 6. All right. Oh, wow. 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 Pixel art. Yeah. Can I open that in something like Photoshop? Yes, I can. All right. And I'll hydrate. That's why. So even though we're getting this right here, it's been a bit of a fucky wucky, a fucko boingo, if you will. So I think this needs to be J and this needs to be K. Try that. Shit. I see what I see. Okay, so that needs to be the height. Width is just going to be size of byte times 8. There we go. Now we got weird fucking data. Hey, Photoshop. Image. Size. Put up to... Found missing no. Clearly. Yeah, I found missing no. Because I have these things fucking backwards. It needs to be J and K. Don't save that. Why does it come out all jumbled here, but yet in here it's fine? What the fuck? Anyways. Where the fuck do I get the settings? Do the settings? Do what the settings? Where? It is. Key mapping. Windows, Emacs, Sublime Text. Visual Studio key maps. Here we go. Emacs versus Vim. Probably some quirk of image format. Maybe. Now if I go back to key map, here we go. Visual Studio. Select multiple. Yeah, why isn't Alt Shift doing what I want it to do? Fucking fine, I'll copy this entire fucking thing. It's Control H. Here we go. Cool. This guy. Place him here. Alright, cool. What I'll do is I will take this, delete it all. Are you gonna look, Grey Wolf? Alright, have fun looking. Alright, cool. Now... there you go. This should be like A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, blah, 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 blah. Now if I run this... oh, whoa! But it worked! That worked! I have an idea. By master bitmap equals new bitmap. This is going to be size of byte times 8. That's going to give us that. Just one of those, the length of one of those. And we will times that by how many entries there are. So now we will say times that by WTF.get length of 0. Now we can also do height, which the height is going to be, I'll just do a quick I might as well do this part, but get length of 1. Graphics, interesting. Oh well. So now what we can do here is we can say bitmap.setPixel at the I will be the offset, so I plus K, that would be J, and I'll just reuse this. All right, so now I don't save it anywhere. Fuck. Can close this out now for now. Using var master bitmap file equals new file string. Master bitmap dot bmp create write. Now down here we'll say master bitmap dot save master bitmap file, and we'll do emp, I guess we'll do again. Cool. Now if we debug and run this, fuck. Alright, well, let's rerun this. $108. That's 108 wide, is it not? Alright, so let me try this. Master bitmap dot width 864. So the width is 864. Height is 11. Why did it freak out saying X? I don't know. Or 6, 7. So this should be the last iteration. There you go. Let's just jump down to here. Alright, so K is 0, J is 0, I is 1, K is 0. Whatever. Okay. Oh, I know why. Master bitmap. And for this, I need to say I times 8. There we go, plus K. Now it should work flawlessly. Alright. So now, look at that! Look at fucking that! Holy shit! Holy shit! Also, Grey Wolf, if you're still here, this is what those things are. It's a bitmap mask. Pixel font. Yep. It's literally just spelling out letters and numbers and symbols. Hey, Niga, how are you doing? I thought you were focusing on your stream. What are you doing on my stream if you're supposed to be on your own damn stream, huh? I'm just giving you shit. But yeah, this is what that's what that has, which is interesting. So literally what is being sent is quite literally nothing but whatchamacallit. Bar is live too. Whoever told me to hydrate, you can go fuck yourself. Hold on, I fucked something up. There we go. Okay. I'm entertaining people with cuss memes. Okay, pixel font, the fuck. It doesn't have the character. Says Argbus. Well, that's the beauty of this, is it can be done in any way. Why the accent at the end, but not the other accents? I don't know. But here's the thing. This is just a bitmap mask. Also, another thing I just realized is that technically, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. What was it? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 by 11. That is an 8 by 11. Hold on. Let's count this calc. Okay. So if it's 8 by 11, so it's 11 by 44, or 44 by 11. Whoops. 44 divided by 8. 5. Oh my god. Okay, so that means these display things. Let me actually, I don't know why it's saying these and holding the display and when you guys can't even see it. But these display things, that means they can only hold 5 fucking characters on them. That's all it means, is 5 characters can be displayed on it. Because it's an 11, it's 11 by 44. Or 44 by 11, however you want to project it. But that means it can only hold 5 characters in each spot if you don't, like with how it's set it up. Also, I think I might have found a way to save the data. Like to cache data and whatnot. But now, anyways, we figured out how to say, or how the data is sent. Okay. So now what I'm going to do is, what is this button? Ah. I have it is this one. Okay. So I do have another Avalonia project right here. You can see it doesn't seem to really work. Interesting. Ah! There we go. And you didn't see anything. You didn't see anything. No, you guys didn't see a damn thing. Alright, you guys didn't see a damn fucking thing. Yeah, you didn't see anything. I'll just do that. It's the magic Jedi trick. You didn't see anything. So yeah. So I have this and we can use this and I'm gonna get rid of that. Oh no, I was looking at my food. Exactly. 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 Anyways, so I'm gonna use this as a reference to customize this. So LED badge creator. We'll build this. And by build, I mean we will fucking run the shit. And as you can see, we got a nice window, nice black window, nice pitch black window. And one thing I can do is I can do this. And how do I enable acrylic, however it's pronounced? How to enable acrylic. Avalonia UI. Fine. Fuck off, GPT. How do I enable it for in AXAML? Wow. Wow. Wow, Chat GPT, you suck. Like, ChatGPT, you fucking suck. Look at this. It's just like I asked, how do I do this in Avalonia UI with you know, yeah. Like, how do I do this in Avalonia UI? And it's just like, oh, to enable acrylic, you need to use this. I'm like, okay, cool. No, but like, I know there's a way to do it through the UXAML. How do I do it that way? Install the required packages. Do this. And then do what I just said above. What the fuck? Hold on, we'll see what ChatGPT is. There is a way to enable it in the UXML without having to do C#. Know how to do that. Without platform specific code. Fuck off. ChatGPT is just like, it's not supported. Yeah, it is. Enable acrylic Avalonia UI. Oh, thank you, Argbus. Alright. What is acrylic? You will see here in a moment. Well, you would if it worked. Yeah, it didn't work. Oh, I also need background equals transparent. The fuck is weird shit's going on with that? There we go. Look at that. Acrylic. Look at that nice acrylic effect. Yep. Oh. What if I say pound 50? If I say pound 0A 00000, build that. Okay. But if I say transparent. Oh, okay. So, okay. So, panel. And if I paste this, this gives me a way to tint it, apparently. However, that doesn't seem to work anymore. RGBA. Oops. Can I do it like this? Or like this? It does like this. Okay. But it says it's an ARGB. Oh. Interesting. Interesting. Why are we working on the UI right now when we should be working on more like the code aspect? Invalid brush string. ARGB. Wow. It doesn't like that. It doesn't. It seems to be that for this, it has predefined stuff. Avalonia color background. Fingers up. To the back. Put the middle fingers up. Hold on, if I do this, do I get, what was the warning when I did this? Yeah. Which is stupid. But what I can easily do is in here, I can then just say in the initialized component. Background dot. I can say debug dot white line background dot get type dot full name. Now if I go into here, okay, so that's already set that. Company. Okay. Okay, let's maybe not do that. Instead, let's do console.
This is the dubstep dad, and I'm telling you, watch the company you keep. Watch the company you keep. That's why this track by me and company.
Why on earth would someone want to use RGBA? God, it seems like they don't support RGBA values. What the fuck? It only supports hex. Immutable solid color brush. Are you fucking kidding me? I'm not gonna fucking bother with that. Alright. That's... whatever. 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 It's whatever. Anyway, it's just so I can see chat while also doing this. I already did that. Okay. So... what I'm going to do now is I'm actually going to get rid of this and create a grid. And in that grid, I'm going to do grid dot row definitions. What I'm going to do in here is I'm going to say row definition and then say height equals star for the moment. This is going to be 45. Tab control. Grid dot row equals 0. Margin equals 15 on all sides. Then selected index equals, and then in here we'll say we'll have a public int selected index. I feel like it needs to be something else. Oh, I'm editing the wrong fucking thing. Whoops. I need to edit not the window, but this guy. Whoops. Public int selected index get set. Now here, not the here. I just will then say grid of brushes, buttons. Yes and nope. Hopefully I don't have to do it that way, but I think for the moment it will. Says you finding there we go. Now, tab item. Do that, and then I'm going to say header equals, say buttons. We'll say and we'll have another, I'll just call it settings. There we go. There you go, all chat. In fact, now that I think about it, we actually just can say fuck it and do this. Nice. Okay. Looks like a Windows Phone app. Ooh. So. This is kind of where a pain in the butt's gonna come in at. Because, well, how, like, I could do a row of buttons or a grid of buttons. I could. I don't. Like, here's the thing though, if I do and I do mean every single button, it's gonna have to have some way to communicate back to the view model. Yes, it's gonna be easier to implement, but it has to communicate with the view model and tell the view model, hey, this is my coordinates on this grid. It's not feasible. Like, it's not the best solution out there. So I wonder, how to act a Colonia. Ugh. Opponent to mouse. One Avalonia provides the following events. Point to press gives me an X and Y coordinate. Woo. Okay. Oh. Yeah. I have an idea. What is my idea, you may ask? Well, what I can do is I could put a panel of sorts, and in that panel I detect, oh my god, in that panel what I will do is I will detect if someone clicked in a specific spot. Now, in theory, let me just try that real quick. What was this stupid thing? Control that pointer pressed. All right. Now that I got that in here, do console.WriteLine dot iPointerDevice dot it can't really be one pixel, it will be hard to see. One idea, the button model would contain the coordinates and current value, and then in the view model you can create an array of those buttons models with the size of the display as a one-dimensional array, and then leave the view, and then the view will render this array with the desired columns. Yes and no. I think this will probably be better for the moment. Pointer dot start get current pointer dot let me do this. Bar pointer equals this. Fuck. Let's start a riot. Oh, let's just do null for the time being. And then I'll write x is pointer dot position dot x. Y is going to be pointer dot position dot y. Double new line. All right. Do this real quick. All right. Interesting. This is very interesting. That is a potential that I'm gonna test real quick. Yeah, it looks like that was the case. However, that shows something completely different. Ow. Now it's working. Okay. Row definition, right, equals let's see, let's do, it's 11 high, so let's do 110 pixels. So that will give us evenly like groups of 10. make this one the star. I can do pointed release. So release. Go. I have an idea. Actually, no, that will stay the same. Okay. Oh, true. HLS is OP. Hue saturation light. Ooh. Okay, so this has to come into here. How do I access a visual element inside the class? Name it. So X name equals good. Okay. Private visual drawing grid equals find this dot find. It's a panel called drawing grid. Believe yeah, drawing grid. All right. D and boop. Look, ooh. All right, have fun with your look. All right. So now, instead of doing this, where it captures it each time, I'm also going to do a private pointer, and then a private cancel token. Cancellation token source, that is. Alright, so now private void update panel background. Cancellation token. Now in here, what I'll say is I'll put this into here in a while loop, actually. While not token dot is cancellation requested. It has a private async task. Wait task dot delay 100 milliseconds. The point is grid. Damn. Damn. How do I track a pointer in Avalonia? Oh. And this is why I'm asking ChatGPT. Apparently there's a canvas. Move. And I need the last one, which is released. That's going to be pointer released. All right, cool. That means I don't need that. I don't need this. All I need left is a private or is tracking. Then in here, say is tracking equals true. And I'll actually need the canvas. So private canvas. Okay, so now how do I change pixels of a canvas in Avalonia? All right, here's a question. What would be a better way to handle an array of mimic a 2D array of LEDs, a display in Avalonia? Oh, Hey yo, ChatGPT over here with the shit. So this is what ChatGPT said. It said to change. Alright, that's to change pixel. A better way to mimic a 2D array of LEDs on a display in Avalonia UI would be to use a uniform grid or a custom panel with visuals, which would give you more flexibility and better performance for managing and rendering a grid of elements. Here's how you could achieve this. 1. Create a custom LED element. Define a custom control element that visually represents an LED. This could be as simple as a colored rectangle to represent the LED's on-off state. I never thought of this. Use a uniform grid or a custom panel. Instead of managing a large number of individual elements, you can use a uniform grid or a custom panel that arranges your LEDs controls in a grid pattern. Integrate. What the fuck? I didn't think of doing this. I am so jealous right now that Avalonia was able to come up with this shit. How would I make a custom control using MVVM? If I was to use the custom panel as you suggested, how do I make it? Do I have to do it that way or just create the class? Very, very interesting. Alright, define the control. Okay, so if in here, if I do add a directory and call it controls, I add a new Avalonia user control and I call this the LED control. Alright. Alright, so now if I just say, no, if I can just, should be able to just change the background, won't I? public bool is on get set public static read only filed property of bool is on property Avalonia property dot register LED control bool name of is on. There you go. Get out. This dot get value property. This dot set value is on property value. All right, cool. This dot get observable is on property dot subscribe, and it suggests I'll just do this. Toggle on. Private board toggle for value. Is on. No, fuck it. Background is on. Brushes dot white. Oops. White. As brushes dot you know what? Yeah, brushes dot black. That should be fine. Observable, observer boolean. This says so if I build this, The fuck? So yeah, it's not subscribe. And observe. Let's do background equals, and immediately doesn't like that. Background equals observe, which it doesn't know what observe is. Cool. Doesn't like that. Why doesn't it like that? I don't fucking know. It's property. Are observable equals observable dot subscribe, which creates an which wants an I observable. The fuck is going on with this shit? Okay. The code you suggested here does not work. It wants I observer for the parameter. Okay, I apologize. That's telling me to go a different, slightly different route. Where in here, I'll basically say back with a width of let's do 10, a height of 10. Let's do rectangle dot styles. Yeah, styles is the only thing I can do. Style selector equals rectangle. And I'll do setter property style value equals static resource gray brush style dot Oh my god, it's having me do a fuck ton of things. Okay, so now I just get away with saying fail solid color brush color equals binding on Verter equals static resource LED color converter I just fit in here public class LED color converter high value converter. Y is on equals cool value. Turn is on color dot red, otherwise color dot gray. Not implemented. Okay. Alright, so I need to change this guy's thing. Okay, I hear nothing. What do you mean you hear nothing? Something's still not happy. Why? Something's still not happy. Mostly just a chill thing, you know? Oh, that's what I'm forgetting. Okay. So I got really focused on doing this. There we go. Okay, so now if I build all this, should in theory work. Why did you fucking crash? Find view located. What do you mean? It's right fucking there. Ah, here we go. But hello, EXO. How you doing? I'm actually might wait out here in a moment. Okay, cool. Everything compiles fine. That's still that. I'll need to replace that. But yeah, silence is when you know somebody's really concentrating. Because like I'm just here like, I need to do this, and then I need to do this, and then this, and then this, and this. So yeah. Good. And okay, cool. Um. Actually, rows int. For var I equals 0, I is less than rows times columns plus I. And I'll do children dot add new LED control. Awesome. Now back into here. Instead of either of these, I'll just say LED grid. With rows has 11 rows, and I want, let's just say 200 columns. Unable to find default public constructor for type LED bridge creator, LED bridge creator control zone. Yes. Public LED grid. This 11/100. There we go. All right, let's see. And somewhere it died. Unable to cast object of type system.string to yes. I delete that, and will that harm this? I don't think so. Let's stop and rerun. Shit. But it says it's in a list of fucking controls. It literally says it's, well, it's in the panel controls primitives. uniform grid. Ow. Why? Base types. Eye control. This literally extends eye control. It literally extends eye control. What the fuck? Cannot say that it doesn't work. Hey Spooty, how you doing? Fuck. Okay, now it's completely fine. Thank you for the head pats, Grey Wolf. Static resource LED color converter not found. Okay, so if I do that, it's crashing somewhere else, saying it. No? Ooh. Fuck! God damn it. Oh well. Oh fucking well. Let's do a commit. That is a lot of shit. Yep. Okay, so it includes its own stuff. Initial project start. Continue working on best ability. Push. It's gonna probably add. Okay, let's find a new one. What you're coding? What I am coding is basically I am re-implementing this program right here. I'm sorry it took a while. I was focused on something. I am re-implementing this program right here. Fuck. Right here. The reason I am remaking it is because this is absolute dog shit. And I do mean it's absolute dog shit. Like, once you figure out how it works, it's fine. When you figure out how it works. But, and here's the fucking annoying part, is when like you get these options like blah blah blah. Right now it says it'll take up 72. If I like it doesn't tell you much, if anything. Like, it doesn't have a good layout, doesn't have really good anything in my opinion. The heck is that? This atrocious UI. That's the other fucking thing. The UI sucks ass. What the fuck is COM5? I don't fucking know. What is USB 0? I don't fucking know. Probably the actual batch. But I don't know. The UI is so fucking bad. Like, look at that. Like, what the hell? And if you hover over these, use a defined icon. Use a defined icon. Tool strip button 2.1. It does nothing. It does nothing. Alright. Whatever that is. That. Like, those are pixel art stuff. Like, don't fucking know. Like, this doesn't make sense. And I talked to the people who I bought this from. I told them, like, yeah, no, I fucking hate the UI. I fucking hate it. They were like, we don't like it either. And I told them, I kind of want to rework the UI and make it better, make a program to actually interface with the device better. And they straight up said, if you do that, hit us up. We would like to see it. And I told them I would probably be uploading it to my GitLab. So, and that's the plan right now, and still is the plan right now, is uploading it to my GitLab. So, yeah. Actually cancel this real quick. Cancel. Just do a commit for a moment. Git. Did I not, did the git ignore not include the one thing? It did not. Interesting. Just amend. There we go. Okay, cool. Now, how to push to create new repo GitLab. Okay, so here's what I will do. Then here in the terminal, I am going to do a loads up git push dash set upstream to be GitLab unaku tng. This is going to be better LED creator dot git, and the master branch is master. Actually, before we do that, I'm gonna add a new file and call this readme.md. Add it. All right. How do I do markdown again? Markdown. Oh, hey. Markdown basics. That's Twitch. Markdown. Here we go. Cheat sheet. Thing is pound. Okay, so okay, let me go back to chat to see if it really needs readme. Okay. Okay, so let's see. So header LED or better LED badge creator. What is the purpose of this program? This program is an attempted recreation of the horrible UI X of the default program you are given. It is delivered via a Google Drive link which doesn't feel safe at all and isn't open source. While it is free and doesn't trip any anti-malware, it still doesn't feel safe to use at all. So this is a recreation to make it free and open source under the GPL, under the GNU General. Yeah. What is the fucking licensing? Yeah. Public license. There we go. Public license. GPL license. Yeah. I know. I have an idea. There we go. Wall dog this bitch, please. Wait, that's 2.0. That's 2.0. I don't want 2.0. I want 3.0. All right. We also add a new file and call this license. Well, fuck off. Why does it want to do that? Open wall. What the f— Copy! Paste! What the hell? I have an idea. Copy. Paste. Thank fucking you. There we go. Okay, thank you. What happened? What do you what do you mean what happened? Anyways, everyone I have no idea. Everyone is free to fork the code or even contribute to it. Note that this is a personal project and isn't a moment. how to compile. To compile this project, only need .NET 6 or higher. If you want a UI, you can also use an IDE that supports .NET 6 or higher. Build from the command line. Complete type out. I need to open another tab. Do a Windows PowerShell. It is, however, recommended to use an IDE to environment file that code has. It makes it identify the issues. I recommend Fighter, but Visual Studio. Well, I wish to contribute. Great. Please work on some code. Testing project is simply to mess around and figure out how the device works. Try to follow the NVVM model view model structure as much as possible. Oh. Oh shit, I did not mean to do that. Yes, this is very much legal as I am attempting a reverse engineering attempt. So I understand the IDE recommendation sentence. You expect the compiler to fail something. Very assuring to read. Okay. There is... Hold on. There is... Grey Wolf. The joke that... Well, it compiles / it works on my machine. Because whenever somebody else tries to compile or run a program, it doesn't fucking work. It only works on the developer's machine for some fucking reason. That's why I put that in there. That, hey, please use an integrated development environment to compile, as if something's fucked up, you can figure it out. It will be a lot easier. Yes, this is very much legal as I am attempting to reverse engineer the communication to the device. I am doing this via other projects that what changes when data. I am also seeing how it communicates to the device through USB sniffers. All of this in get out how the device works for easier use. Making a better UI. And I support somehow? Yes. You can support me via contributing code. I do not have a Patreon or a coffee. If you want to throw money at me, go to my Twitch or stream. Go to my Twitch. Twitch.tv/CaillouVolpes and look for the stream element. Nation tab. Nation widget. Or you can go to live streamers. Okay. Authorize. Before. Oh, fun. Fucking fun. God damn it. Please tell me that's not gonna fuck anything up. There we go. Okay. Profile page. My profile. Literally just that simple, really? Wow. Wow, it's really just that simple. Okay. To my stream. Page. Wow. So I recommend only doing donation while I am maybe if enough people support my works / streams, but I potentially open up a Patreon. There we go. That should be good. Select those. Amend. Commit. Push it up. There we go. We can click on this. God fucking damn it. Here we go. Open in Firefox. There it is. Oh my god, my fucking eyes. But here it is. .NET build. There's the fucking license. GPL. Yep. It's all up here now. So go into settings, general, .NET, .NET Core, .NET Core, Avalonia UI, Y, X, those the recreation of the BMP badge program, but with a better UIX and more platform support. Save changes and expand this out. I'll make it public. What requests? Forks, users can fork the repository. Git large file storage. You know what? Yeah, sure. CIDC. Yep. Container registry. Everyone elects access. Security and compliance. Yep. That's changes. Cool. There we go. Now it's public. Anyone can access it. All you need to do is go to here. You'll be able to access this. Ring that bell. You can start. You can fork it. You can do all that good shit. I need to give my eyes a fucking break. So, yeah. Let's see. You know what? Let's raid that bean. I think we should end it here. So let's raid the James Fox. All right. I'll see you guys over at C. James Fox. They're doing some Phasmophobia. Sure, that being some much deserved love. Let me get myself bigger here so you can see me as you wait out to C. James Fox. I give that being a good loving. And that sounded wrong, but I mean, do it in your own way. Better with inverted colors. Yeah, it is. The UI is way better with inverted colors. But anyways, I will see you guys next time. And yeah. So, next time, I don't know when that is. But I'll try and fit some next time in. Until then, have fun. Take good care of yourselves. The Empire New welcomes all. Tell C. James Fox that, though they probably already know. So yeah, just pound C. James love with all the love. Bye bye, you adorable beans. Bye bye. Bye bye.